Well, I was going to come out to the doghouse and do some work on the Fargo, but I can't. I got other stuff to do. We've had some really bad winds the last couple of days, last week or so. But anyway, been a little rough on my shed over here. She went and blew down. Well, I guess the roof let go because there was so much snow this winter. And then with the high winds, she came here and kind of did a little number on that. So I guess what I'm going to be doing today is fixing this here up. And then I was going to the house and we had the door get all twisted as well. Well, not the door, but the arm that holds the door opened. So I got to fix that because Bandit can't get out. Hey, Bandit? He just took the door and just twisted that all to hell. So anyway, I found another one. So we'll put that in today and we'll fix the shed, I guess, before we do any kind of work. So anyway, let's get started. So I had to go to the garage and get a screwdriver, and then Bandit came along and he thought he might be the cameraman for a little while. He came and stole my camera and took off with it. Sorry about no volume, guys, but I didn't realize when Bandit took my camera that he unplugged my microphone. So I did all this taping and no sound. But anyway, this was only for entertainment anyway, because apparently Dave's complaining nobody's putting out any video. So out of my desperation, I decided to fix my door. Very desperate. And I'm not going to do the shed today because it's way too cold outside. My hand just can't handle the cold. And no sense me lifting up something that heavy and maybe screwing up my back even more than it already is. It's just starting to heal up nicely now. So maybe I'll go out to the doghouse when I'm done this here and put her around. Well, I got some things in the mail for my truck, so maybe I'll show you what arrived and get around to doing a little bit more out there. But anyway, we'll get her done. So the door's all fixed. It works good. And now I can open and close it. And I hope this was good enough for you, Dave. It'll entertain you anyway for 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Have a good one.